Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the video effect to background only, not for overlay. Yeah, in CapCut you see easily. So for example, I'm going to select background. We're going to select the background and I'm just going to add effect and select effect you like. Right. Yeah, I'm going to select the flicker. Alright, after done, select the clip and right click and create component clip, and you can add the um, overlay, so put on top other clip, cut out chroma key, remove the background, go into model plane, overlay, here you go. This is the final effect. That's how you can add the video effect to background only, not for overlay. Without overlay in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.